the important things to be done going forward are that the Burundians should project positive messages. The Burundians should project positive messages. And they should make sure that they participate in the dialogue, whatever the problems are. So the best thing is to make sure that everybody acknowledge the fact that there has been a complete misreading of the situation. Of course, anything which is legitimate and genuine, which the opposition wants to advance, I'm sure that they can do that through the dialogue.